Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. So by tapping on it, you have to agree with terms of condition. Here you can set up some settings of this recorder, like you can display touch trajectory, you can change sound source, you can record system audio, microphone audio, or both. You can also change image quality, and you can also automatically enable not disturb while recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and after that recording starts immediately. So you can pause recording by tapping here, then you can play it again, and when you're done recording completely, you just tap on this button here, and after that recording will be saved to albums, to the special screen recordings album. And from here you can like share, edit. That recording starts immediately. And from here you can share, edit, compress, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.